you are new to our channel, I'm Kelly. This is my best friend Christina. We make videos twice a week all about budget-friendly fashion. We do tips, tricks, hauls, how to dress for your body type, lots of great content, and we would love to have you guys back. So if you have not yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tune in every Sunday and Thursday for new videos.
Yes, and today we are bringing you a bunch of fun and easy winter hacks. So you guys enjoyed our fall hacks so much that we definitely had to share with you some of our great hacks that we use for winter clothing. So stay tuned because we've got 10 good ones to share with you.
So I wanted to start with one of my favorite winter hacks. So this is all about shortening an oversized sweater. One of the things that you can actually do is you can actually take the bottom of the sweater and just fold it under and tuck just a little bit of it into the underneath band of your bra. So this works especially well with very, very long sweaters. If the sweater is not quite long enough for that, my second hack is actually using a hidden belt. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a slim belt and you're going to put it over the sweater almost towards your waist, and then you're going to just like loosely bag out the sweater until you hide the belt and you hide the extra material of the sweater, and you just get a look that looks like your sweater is tucked into your pants a little bit and just bagged out slightly, when really it's tucked into this hidden belt so that you're not creating any bulk in your pants.
So during the winter months, we all bust out our favorite winter coats. A lot of us wear these puffer coats. However, they are notorious for getting makeup on them, whether it's foundation or blush. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to be able to remove your makeup from your puffer coat collars. So instead of throwing your puffer coat into the washing machine, you can actually just use makeup remover wipes. They are super easy and simple to be able to remove all of that excess makeup that you will find on your collars, and you will have them looking brand new before you know it.
Look. So one of the questions we get from a lot of you guys is how to dress with warmth without looking frumpy. So one of the things that I like to do is I stock up every winter season on these fitted long sleeve t-shirts. Now I tend to go for V-neck because I wear a lot of V-neck sweaters. Layering this underneath any sweater really allows me to have that warmth without creating a lot of bulk. Of course, if you're in very cold climate, you could even double up on your tees layering them. But it's just a great way to be able to wear your favorite sweaters, lightweight, fitted sweaters, but still have the warmth that you're looking for. It's just by creating that nice fitted layer underneath. So that's just one of my little winter hacks.
So during the winter months, we are all busting out our favorite sweaters to wear, and some of you may prefer hanging your sweaters versus folding them up. However, what can happen is you can stretch out the shoulders and kind of deform the sweater. So I'm going to show you how to be able to hang your sweater without deforming them. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take your sweater and simply fold it in half. You then take the hanger and you put the hook of the hanger in between the armpit of the sweater, and then simply just fold over the arms of the sweater and the body of the sweater. And if you want to secure it even further, you can actually tuck it underneath the bottom of the hanger. And there you go, easy peasy. You've got a secure way to be able to fold your sweaters without having them be deformed.
So this next hack is a bit of a beauty hack, and definitely one I will be using when I travel to Tennessee this winter. And that is to put on some hand moisturizer before putting on your gloves. Now it seems simple enough, but maybe something that we don't often think about. But if you layer on a good amount of hand moisturizer right before slipping on your winter gloves, you're almost like giving yourself a little mini spa treatment. And those gloves are really helping to keep the moisture on your hands. And when you take your gloves off later, instead of them being dry or cracked, they'll be nice and soft and smooth.
So whether you live up north and are playing in the snow with your kids, or maybe you're traveling on vacation, we've all dealt with having wet boots and wet gloves. So I'm going to show you an easy way to be able to dry them. So an easy way to be able to dry your snow boots is just to crumple up some newspaper and stick them inside of your boots. The newspaper will soak up all of that extra moisture. And for your snow gloves, you just want to turn them inside out, but not completely, about halfway, so that way just the bottom part of the glove is exposed, and then you can leave them to dry either near a heater or near a radiator. However, if you are extremely pressed for time and you don't have overnight to dry out your snow boots and your snow gloves, you can actually just use a hair dryer. That is the fastest and easiest way for sure to get your winter gloves and your winter boots dry.
So this next hack is going to be helpful if you have some slippery sidewalks outside. So if you want to wear some of your favorite little booties or flats, but maybe there's a little bit of slip surface and the bottom of your shoe doesn't have much traction, one of the things that you can do to help out a bit is to get yourself some sandpaper. So I just have mine on this little sandpapering tool, and you can just sandpaper the bottom of your shoe, and that's going to create some traction and some friction that will help to prevent any falls.
Okay, so you have left us comments before wondering how it is that during the winter months you don't ruin your beautiful shoes with all of that snow, slush, and salt. So an easy hack to be able to save your shoes is to actually wear your snow boots. Your snow boots when you are either traveling to work or to a friend or family's house, and carrying your extra shoes inside of like your tote bag. That way, once you get there, you just take off your snow boots, slip on your regular either work shoes or some ballet flats if you're going over to like a friend or family's house. Another great trick is to also pick up these foldable ballet flats. So they are portable. They come in these cute little pouches. In fact, they come in 4 different colors. You can pick them up in a leopard, a black, champagne, and a silver. And they are super compact. They've also got little grippers that are on the bottom of the shoes, so you're not going to be slipping around, but it's going to save you space inside of your purse if you don't want to carry around your shoes.
So if you want to wear your dresses in the winter time, but you're worried about the cold temperatures, one of the things that you can do is you can actually layer those nude pantyhose underneath some tights. So we recommended that we prefer black opaque tights. That's really going to create some extra warmth for you. This is also great for under skinny jeans. You can also use this trick under jeans by using your workout pants. If you have some workout leggings, you can use those as a layering piece. So all of those, tight fitting layers are really just going to create some more warmth for you. So don't throw away those pantyhose, use them to keep you warm.
So if you are anything like me, during the winter months, you enjoy wearing those cute little like beanie hats. However, winter months are notorious for a lot of static electricity, and so nothing's more unattractive than having your hair starting to fly away. So a quick and easy hack is to actually just take a dryer sheet. You can take the dryer sheet and you can actually rub it over your hair. You can also rub it over like your sweater, and it'll help to eliminate all of that static electricity. So this is a great hack, especially if you are traveling. You don't have to go and buy any of that Static Guard spray just to be able to use for a couple of days. Instead, just pack a few dryer sheets into your suitcase. Takes up virtually no room and you will be static free. Okay, so that is all, you guys. We have shared our 10 favorite winter hacks with you, and we will see you guys next time. We hope you have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.